start. In light of the aforesaid settled legal position coupled with the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, I uphold the order passed by the first additional district judge Jammu dated 22nd February 2023 as the same does not suffer from any legal infirmity and the present petition, which is devoid of any merit, deserves dismissal at very threshold and is accordingly dismissed for the reasons stated herein above. Stop. The scope and ambit of exercise of power and jurisdiction by a High Court under Article 227 of the Constitution of India is examined and explained in a number of decisions of this court. Stop. The exercise of power under this article involves a duty on the High Court to keep inferior courts and tribunals within the bounds of their authority and to see that they do the duty expected or required of them in a legal manner. Stop. The High Court is not vested with any unlimited prerogative to correct all kinds of hardship or wrong decisions made within the limits of the jurisdiction of the subordinate courts or tribunals. Stop. Exercise of this power and interfering with the orders of the courts or tribunals is restricted to cases of serious dereliction of duty and flagrant violation of fundamental principles of law or justice, where if the High Court does not interfere, a grave injustice remains uncorrected. Stop. It is also well settled that the High Court, while acting under this article, cannot exercise its power as an appellate court or substitute its own judgment in place of that of the subordinate court to correct an error which is not apparent on the face of the record. Stop. The High Court can set aside or ignore the findings of facts of an inferior court or tribunal if there is no evidence at all to justify or the finding is so perverse that no reasonable person can possibly come to such a conclusion which the court or tribunal has come to. Stop. The court in para 12 has stated that the power under Article 227 of the Constitution is intended to be used sparingly and only in appropriate cases for the purpose of keeping the subordinate courts and tribunals within the bounds of their authority and not for correcting mere errors. Stop. This court has observed that the power of superintendence under Article 227 cannot be invoked to correct an error of fact which only a superior court can do In exercise